వినియోగదారులను ఆకట్టుకునేందుకు ఐఓటీ ఆధారిత ఉత్పత్తులను అందించే లక్ష్యంతో పనిచేస్తున్నామని ఎల్జీ ఎలక్ట్రానిక్స్ ఇండియా ఎండీ కిమ్ కీ-వాన్ తెలిపారు. మొబైల్ మార్కెట్లో కాస్త వెనుకబడిన గృహోపకరణాల్లో అత్యధిక వాటా తమదేనని చెప్పారు. పెద్ద నోట్ల రద్దు ప్రభావం నుంచి త్వరలోనే బయటపడతామని ఈటీవీ ముఖాముఖిలో విశ్వాసం వ్యక్తం చేశారు.
లైఫ్ ఈజ్ గుడ్ అంటూ వినియోగదారుల విపణిలో 20 ఏళ్లుగా సేవలందిస్తున్నటువంటి ఎల్జీ ఆధునిక పరికరాలతో మార్కెట్లోకి దూసుకుపోతుంది. అయితే ఈ అంశాలను వెల్లడించేందుకు ఎల్జీ ఇండియా ఎలక్ట్రానిక్స్ ఎండీ కిమ్ కీ-వాన్ మనతో ఉన్నారు. సార్, వాట్ ఈస్ ద బిజినెస్ స్ట్రాటజీ ఆఫ్ ఎల్జీ in current financial year? How is the business strategy in India?
Our principle is simple and non-changing. This is satisfying consumers. LG's brand slogan is "Life's Good." So our focus is always how to enhance lifestyle of India. This is our unchanging business policy.
What is the market share of LG in current financial year?
Our market is, in all the product categories, number one position, having the more than 40% in average.
In your technologies by the LG in consumer products?
Yes, as we have done this year also, we come up with this inverter, dual inverter air conditioning. This is the ultimate solution for global warming, energy saving, and eco-friendly. So consumers using LG dual inverter air conditioning, they can save energy, electricity bill up to 50%.
In consumer electronics or in mobile, particularly in mobile market, LG is lacking behind. Why is it so?
Differently from our dual inverter AC or refrigerators, we have been a little bit late than our competitor. But it's a matter of time. Maybe this year, before the Diwali time, we will come up with some very compelling, differentiated features LG mobile phone. Then we will start also to gain the market share.
I think that Chinese mobile brands and Indian mobile brands also far behind, far superior than you, or what do you think about?
We don't mind our competitors how much they are aggressive, but just we only focusing on consumers. So we are looking for to figure out what the consumers are looking for with the new phones. Maybe there is something, the expectation from consumers for LG mobile phone. So what's their unmet needs for mobile phone? So we are checking, we are searching to identify it. Then we will reflect to identify some consumer insight into our mobile phone, and we will communicate with the consumers.
Are you introducing any newer products of IoT-enabled area?
Yeah, of course, yes. As we are at the, going ahead for the IoT and the AI, those are smart needs, than our competitors. We will be maybe the first company to introduce the IoT incorporated product. Already a few models are available in the market. Yes, air conditioning and washing machine, refrigerator. Not full-fledged IoT, but some part already we introduced, and step by step we will introduce smart function, the IoT function incorporated refrigerator, washing machine, air conditioning.
Any manufacturing facility are you going to add in India particularly?
Every year we are upgrading, we are increasing the production capacity in the two Noida and Pune factories. Yeah, so every year we are investing more than $10 million to upgrade production capacity.
So are you going to add any other manufacturing facility in southern India or anywhere else in India?
Not fixed yet, but we are checking if necessary. If our sales growth is like that every year, then maybe in a few years we need another factory. Then we will construct the factory.
So how demonetization affect the LG products, particularly in consumer market?
At first, we were confused. We were embarrassed, and the consumers more embarrassed. So to comfort our consumers, the firstly we introduced no cash, no worry, like that, purchasing today but paying in 60 days with a 10-month installation. So by doing so, we successfully managed that crisis.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
ఇక్కడ ఉన్నటువంటి వాటాను ఖచ్చితంగా వినియోగదారుల వ్యవహారంలో మార్కెట్ను ఖచ్చితంగా పెంచుకుంటా అని చెప్పి ఎల్జీ ఎలక్ట్రానిక్స్ ఇండియా ఎండీ చెప్తున్నారు. కెమెరా పర్సన్ శేష్తో కలిసి ధనుంజయ్, ఈటీవీ న్యూస్, విజయవాడ.